Hi guys, I'm going to give the Syma, whatever it is, X3 a little flight, mainly to test the new action camera. Noisy here, the DragonTouch Vision 3. Been having some problems with it, to be honest, so I've set it down to 1080p but only 30 frames per second. And set it to do 5-minute segments. And I'm looking at that lens, I'm not sure if I've cleaned it, it was greasy just now. We'll have a look. We'll soon find out if it's greasy. Right then, come back this way a bit. Okay, turn, go that way. Come towards me. Turn that way. Go away from me. Come on, it's supposed to be coming back this way, mate. No idea if the camera's catching this, and it is a bit of a long way away. Whoop. Move me head. Yeah. This way a bit. Whoa. I think it caught a gust of wind then. Alright, let's try a little bit lower. Lower, I said? Oh, definite gust of wind. I'm not dropping out the sky quite so badly. The sound on this action camera is, well, it's quite loud. Come back here. Come towards me a bit, down a bit. Whoa. That dropped out of the sky then, but that was a gust of wind caught it, I think. I think we're losing power a bit. Definitely lower on power now. Don't know if we'll make it back. Oh yeah, still here. I think that's probably me 10 minutes up. Yeah, that's about it. Oh, we've just got about enough to get off the ground. Okay, so that'll do. Little flying session with the Syma X3. I think it's something like Syma X3 Pioneer or something. Yeah, I like this one simply because it's easy for me to see it. So I just hope the hat camera caught it. No tricks today. Just wanted to go round and round and get my bearings. Hi guys. Oh, greasy lens. That gets so greasy. Must have rested that against something in the back of the car.
Thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.